In 1883, scientists discovered a tiny jellyfish in the Mediterranean Sea. For over a century, it seemed ordinary until 1996 changed everything. Two researchers accidentally discovered something extraordinary. The Turritopsis dohrnii could reverse its aging process completely. When stressed or injured, it transforms back into a juvenile polyp, genetically identical, but young again. Japanese scientist Shin Kubota has dedicated his life to studying this phenomenon, watching the same jellyfish cycle through youth and adulthood multiple times. It's biological immortality in action. This tiny creature is rewriting what we know about aging and death, opening new frontiers in medical research that could one day benefit humanity.